Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Classroom Learning. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about fun ways to learn English.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I am very good, Daniel. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you.
That is nice to hear.
Emma, do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. I think learning English is fun.
Me too. English is very useful.
Yes. Many people around the world use English.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English a few years ago.
Was it difficult at first?
Yes, a little. But I practiced every day.
That is a good idea.
Thank you. Small steps help a lot.
What is your favorite way to learn English?
I like watching videos in English.
Oh, really?
Yes. I watch simple videos.
That sounds interesting.
I also listen to English podcasts.
Wow. I like podcasts too. Podcasts are easy to listen to. Do you listen every day?
Yes. I listen in the morning.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. What about you?
I like learning with songs.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, I listen to songs and read the words.
That helps with pronunciation.
Yes, it does.
I also like reading short stories.
Do you read every day?
Not every day, but many times a week.
That is great.
Reading helps me learn new words.
I agree.
Sometimes I write new words in a notebook.
That is a good idea.
Then I review the words later.
Do you use flashcards?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Flashcards are simple and helpful.
I use my phone to learn English.
Really?
Yes, I use English learning apps.
That sounds fun.
There are many useful apps.
I also change my phone language to English.
That is smart.
It helps me see English every day.
I like that idea.
Thank you.
Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you shy?
A little.
Me too.
But practice is important.
That is true.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, we learn from mistakes.
Exactly.
Sometimes I speak to myself in English.
I do that too.
Really?
Yes, it helps me think in English.
That sounds useful.
It is very useful.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, but I choose easy movies.
Do you use subtitles?
Yes, English subtitles help me.
I do the same.
That is great.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please tell us your favorite way to learn English in the comments.
Emma, let's talk about vocabulary.
Great idea.
Vocabulary means words.
Yes, new words help us speak better.
I learn 5 new words every day.
That is a nice goal.
Thank you.
I make example sentences with new words.
That is very helpful.
For example, the word happy.
I can say, I am happy today.
Yes, that is a simple sentence.
Let's talk about grammar.
Great.
The verb play is a regular verb.
In the past, we say played.
Yes,
But go is an irregular verb.
in the past, we say went.
That is correct.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Today, I go to school.
Yesterday, I went to school.
Very good.
Thank you.
Pronunciation is important too.
Yes, listen and repeat many times.
Slow practice is okay.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Just keep learning.
One step every day.
That is true.
What about you, everyone? How do you learn English?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.